How to use a and an. We use an if the first letter of the word starts with a vowel. Example, an apple, an egg, an igloo, an umbrella. How do we use a? We use a if the first letter of the word starts with consonants. Now, all the letters are consonants except A, E, I, O, U because they are vowels. Now remember, a, then the consonant letter in the beginning. Example, a pen. P is a consonant. A pencil. P is a consonant. A star. S is a consonant. A ball. B is a consonant. Now that's the difference on how do we use a and an. Thank you.